Hey everybody, the Montana guy bringing another video, and today we're going to do a do-it-yourself Tinder pouch. These are very easy to create. They're a lot of fun, and also you can put all your Tinder and other items in these for lasting a long time. So if this is something you're interested in watching of how to create them, stay tuned. Alright, so what you need to have to create this is leather, just like this. Just use leather, made a big circle, cut it out. You could be as fancy as you want to when you're making your circle. You can make it as big as you want. And then after that, what you'll need is, of course, leather. You're going to need some type of cordage to lace everything up and be able to tighten it. You'll want to use what I'm using is just a sail needle, one of the smaller ones that I have. Of course, you're going to want to use an awl. This is just a crooked awl that I have. And optional is, of course, using some kind of pliers. That way when you make your holes, if they're not long enough and you put your needle and thread through, you can ink on it and pull it through. It makes it a little bit easier. And then another option that you can use is just some kind of wax. I have fixing wax that I use just to put on the string to make it a little bit more lubricated, so it gets in the holes easier and goes through. Again, this is optional. This is optional. These do help out quite a bit. So with that said, we'll go ahead and get started. See? On the next stage. So I'll do another stop knot. Right where the end is, and then I'll just do another stop knot right on top of it. And call it good. Just like that. Okay, real easy. And then I'm just going to tie off the other one, kind of make it look the same length. About right there. create another stop knot. There. And create another one over top of it. Just like that. Alright, well, thank you all for watching this video. I do appreciate the views. If this is something that you liked, please give it a thumbs up. If this is something you're ever created, I'd love to know more in the comments down below. Again, it's just a very easy do-it-yourself project. You can do at home, you can do camping, you can do in the park. Just something to have fun doing. And again, thank you all for watching. Stay safe, enjoy the woods.